welcome back to my videos. Yeah, I'm playing Maneater. I was just playing, got to level 10, and then said some weird stuff. Like, these guys came after me. I don't know why, because I didn't do anything bad. But, like, I'm just gonna real quick, I got to level 10, which is good. I'm gonna fast travel to the alot. Because level 10, I can be an adult, I think. Yes, yeah.
The shark is now an adult, and she should probably spend less, save more, and start researching indexed mutual funds.
Oh, that looks amazing. It looks way better. Also, yeah, look at blue and it is. Do I have enough of these? Oh yeah, I have plenty. Bro, those are some good teeth. What do I need for this one? 10,000, that's all? Okay, I'll probably do that. What about this one? Oh, sure, why not? Do I do it? I'm gonna upgrade one more time. That's the maximum. Oof, dummy, that was a lot. But I don't care because I'm very good now. Electric teeth. Advanced sonar. It's good. But like, something, it said the apex spawn? I don't know what it's all about that. Yeah, kill the apex. It said apex spawn once I got to level 10. I feel so powerful now. Yes. I killed so many gators, you have no idea. Killed probably at least over 100. And then all of a sudden those guys spawn out, and then I killed them, and they got me to level 10. So. Fail. I'm an adult and still I can't fully do that a bunch. I can break in these. Come on. Yes. Actually, I think I'm gonna go over the apex. Whatever that spell. Ooh.
The needle-toothed nightmare, the barracuda.
Seems easy. Your favorite hunting right now. Pay the price. Kill the apex. Oh, easy on then. Oh snap! This is easy. Thrash you! Thrash you again. Thrash so many of your friends and thrash you. If it wasn't for the thrash, I'd die.
Barracuda. While most recognize it as the title of a classic rock radio staple, did you know that it's also
this
a
adds
fish?
damage resistance.
Well, it's true.
Effective for boat combat. Okay, so that's good for boat combat. Bioelectric teeth are good. I like them much better. Did I just beat it? Where are some gators? I'm gonna bully them. it's like instant. Oh my, that's much better. What's this? There's a whole lot of fruit telling you that. Oh, I'm already almost halfway. Also, I did a lot of the quests. See, 54% already on this one. Can I get to here? Or why not try it? Crawfish Bay, I've never been there, and it says I can... Maybe we should head over there. Let's fast travel here.
The grotto provides a brief respite from the Sturm und Drang of the Gulf.
40. Thank you. Is it this way? Yeah. Ooh. Look at my teeth. Oh my. Day blue, day blue.
Lacking aptitude in the ancient art of the ninja, the turtle's defense is insufficient against its superior opponent.
So I gotta go left up here. Oh, it's a gate. Really invisible wall, I think. Yeah, that's an invisible wall. Then how would I get in there? This? How? Says I completed that. This you need to jump and do something. It's just quick travel here. Nope. Albino animals provide you usually high amounts of.
While the state of Dead Horse Lake is alarming, we can be assured that a new era of environmental stewardship will restore order to our treasured wild places.
I kill your master to Apex. Gators. Dude, it's easy. There's a whole lot more of them, so. Dude, I do much more damage, dude. 30 and then 8. Oh gosh, like 60 damage for the bonus and then 20, 20, 20, 20. These two work perfectly fine for his swing pose. To me. Threat level just goes a lot higher. Dude, leave me alone, tiny little baby. Baby bear, you guys probably have no idea what just went on there. But I have your answer. I killed many things. You know, I kind of want to try out getting my threat level all the way up and see the bounty hunters trying to get me. Where are humans? Kind of feel bad.
A shark attack too often provokes portcullis locals into killing every swimming creature along the coast.
Is it the jet skis? Yeah, I love the jet skis. How are you still alive? Sending you out of the milk. Holy smokes, there's a lot of people. Meh. Bad shark. I like that bad shark. I'm eating too many people and I just regenerate my health. They can't handle me, I'm too strong. No, no, no. How many people do I have to kill until I get to the person that gives me...
Being natural cowards, shark hunters will often call for backup upon spotting them.
Yeah, and my alligator friends to help me. Holy smokes! That was not on purpose, I swear. I just tried to jump out of the water. There we go. Bobby Batangles.
The bartender life in Bobby Bojangles.
Bojangles, not Botangles. It said Botangles, not Jangles. Yeah, get Bobby! I see Bobby. That was Bobby. Get her! Not her? Yeah, that's her. Get Bobby! No, 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 no.
Despite
no, no.
Port Clovis's best efforts, the aquatic beast refuses to be tamed.
Oh my goodness, the leg is too many bullets coming at me. Let's keep going up in the ranks until I die. But, I mean, the battles can go on so long. I mean, I'll kill a whole earth if I have to.
Capture animal behavior that scientists could previously only...
And then the military just drops a nuke on me, and now you're not gonna do that. Holy smokes! It knocked that guy's so far. How would you jump on the water? That's the
This
last
gives us
thing
an
you wanna
intriguing
do in this
perspective on how bull sharks hunt their prey. Time is running out for our shark. Hunters are on the water bringing their explosives and poor impulse control with them.
I don't know what you mean, because look at me, I'm just grabbing these people and throwing them around. For ya. Eat, eat, eat. Eat this guy, it gives me some health. Sometimes I wonder if bullets, like, if they made it so the bullets can just go through everything. Dude, these are not good hunters. Dude, if you're good enough, you'd kill me by now.
A bounty has been put out, and now a dangerous army of lawless, trigger-happy sadists begin shooting anything that moves.
Oh my goodness, I need to... Holy, that's a lot of people. Oh, never mind. Two boats look like one in there. Oh, there were so many people. Pookie ball, pookie, pookie. You're a pookie ball. You're a pookie.
The savage shrimp. Pookie ball.
Savage shrimp? He ain't no shrimp. He's a man, not a shrimp. Dumb game. I need to eat real quick to regenerate. Get Pookie Paw. Got him? Yeah.
Only time will tell whether government actions can diminish Port Clovis's reputation as a shark attack hotspot.
Level 12 already. I didn't do anything in levels. It's pretty easy, pretty easy to level up when you're overpowered. Because you ate way too many meters and spend all your time on this game. I have no idea how bad my hand hurts now. I'm pressing so many buttons. Should we try a little tail whip on one of them? Try and whack them off? I can't. I have to be in the water to do it. This game denies physics. Like how a shark can go straight down in any direction she wants. I'm a big shark that eats anyone that comes into my way.
A successful shark hunt
You're
is
in my
traditionally
way.
celebrated
I
with
want to go over
off-brand
here.
cinnamon whiskey and large quantities of pseudoephedrine.
Level 16 now. I go up by 4 levels every time. They're not getting away from me. I'm eating guns with the people. I just noticed that because they're holding the guns when they die. Okay, target this boat now. This one with this guy that's in all black. Boom! I'm just grabbing everyone. This one looks like a boat that surfing guy would be in, but it's just an airboat. I've always wanted to ride on an airboat because they look really cool, and then you can go on land and muck stuff. Dude, they're throwing nades now. I don't want to play if you're throwing nades. Well, I mean, they're not doing very much damage with nades. Pretty sure they just explode their own boat. Probably should have gotten bone teeth. I should work on getting my bone teeth all the way up so then I can destroy boats.
The rogue shark must now be killed and publicly displayed to the fishing phenom, Candyman Curtis.
Dude, this is not even calling anyone. It was on the home screen. Oh my goodness. What's he out there? AK-47 what? First person I killed.
Reckless behavior only further incenses foreclosures to citizens.
Bro, this is so easy. It's so easy to kill, guys. Yeah. Yeah.
Another human is reduced to the faces of who live, die, and leave no record on this earth.
Oh, I'm almost. There it is. I haven't even been worried about the levels. Like, the levels is what keeping me alive because it puts me to full health when I level up. That guy has no health. Look at that. It says no health, but then he's still driving a boat. He's dead. Driving a boat, Joe. Probably, it's like, ow, he's wobbling exactly like, if you just slowly regenerated that over time, the thing that it wants me to do, the exclamation mark, most things now, is, I forgot what they're called, the explosive bottles, but like, you're gonna have to throw at the boat if you're gonna kill me, because I'm on the boat, and if I'm on the boat, then you're gonna explode the boat, and then that's not good, because you're just killing other people and not me. Dude, there's a lot of just dead people lying around. It's a crazy game. More health. Humans don't give as much health as you think they do. Like, groupers get more health, and that's only level 3 ones. Like, level 1 ones. They get 2 more. We're sinking. Whoa! Who's incoming? Is it a good? Is it a daughter?
Shark hunters kill for the same reason we all do, to feel complete.
No, this is not feeling complete. So I'm gonna kill you and I'm gonna feel complete. That doesn't sound. Maybe I'll kill you. Oh, I will feel complete because I killed a hunter. You're not very good shark hunters, I'll tell you that, because I've killed like 500 boats. I've cost you like $3 million, guys. At least already. Off of just boats. And then lives, if you count lives, as like $1 billion. So it cost me like, total it cost you like trillions of dollars. Trillions of dollars. Okay, I'm gonna die here. No. Please don't kill me right now. I really don't want to die right now.
Now this majestic creature will be turned into a decorative trophy for someone's rumpus room.
I don't care because I've done pretty good. I did really good there. Oh, my finger.
Since the mid-20th century, an increasing number of oceanographers have warned about uncontrolled development of the sea.
That have bone teeth. Hold on to the slipperiest prey. Only because it's the crystals to upgrade. I'll get it up there. So next time I feel like I want to do a battle, I'll do them. Wait. These ones have a better damage rating, but wait. It gives it a defense rating, but not as much damage. My electric teeth are good for chewing good stuff. I don't know. This one does. What about this one? I've got hardy. Some evolution increases your health and resistance to being knocked off. A boat by the melee attacks of crew members. Plus 150 max health and plus 20 boat crew knockback resistance. That seems awesome. I'm gonna keep the advanced sonar for that one. What about mine? This evolution increases how many minerals you gain and health you heal by feeding. Ooh, that's good. This evolution increases your speed when you are badly injured. Oh, that's not very good. I don't really care about that one. So I'm probably gonna do this one, get hardy, upgrade it one time because I spent it on other stuff. Oh, this one, we're gonna do mineral one. We're gonna upgrade because we can upgrade it. Upgrade just because we can. Now we got that to the blue. This one is fully maxed out. Don't know why I did that. Wait, what? No, I want my advanced sonar. Wait, what? What does it get rid of? Oh, it doesn't get rid of anything. But it makes me slower? What the heck? Here. I've got John body. Well, anyway, I think that'll wrap it up for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Bye.